So in this video, I will show you how to build a list of leads ready to be used for cold email. And for that, we will use LinkedIn Sales Navigator and GiveMeLeads to extract the leads and find the verified emails of these leads. So let's get started. So we are currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. From my opinion, it's one of the best tools on the market to build a list of leads because the data on Sales Navigator is the freshest on the market. So let's say that you want to target head of sales in a company headcount between 1,000 to 5,000 people, and you want to target people who are based in San Francisco. So on the right part of my screen, I have all these people, and now what I want to do is to export them and find their verified emails. So if you want to do that, you just need to click here on extract leads, and if you want to get this button, you need a tool called GiveMeLeads. So you can go on givemeleads.io, or you can click in the first link in the description. Then you click on get 10 leads for free, and then you create your account. And finally, the only thing you need to do is to install the Chrome extension so that you will get a button like this one where you can easily extract your leads. All right, so now let's say that I'm happy with my search. Now all I need to do is to click on extract leads. Then I click on continue, save and export. And here, let's say that I want to export 50 people just for this tutorial. So I wrote 50 and now I click on export leads. And now, as you can see, my export is currently running. Now I just want to rename my export. So it's head of sales, San Francisco. And the company headcount is between 1,000 to 5,000 people. So let's write that, and then you press enter, and perfect. So we just need to wait a little bit, and then our export will be ready. After 2 minutes, the export is done, and now all I need to do is to click here on download, and then you can either click on download CSV or open in Sheets. So let's download the CSV. So here is the file. So you have first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. You have the verified emails of these leads. So it means that you don't need another tool to check if the mail is valid or not. So basically all you have to do is to take this file and then upload it in your favorite outreach tool or in your CRM. So you have the job title, location, you have the recent post count, connection degree, is premium, summary. You have some informations about the company of the lead, so you have the company name, company website, and so on. So of course, I guess that you won't use all these informations, but you can use some of them to personalize your email. So when you export with GiveMeLeads, two things happen. So the first one is we make sure that the data is clean. So you have the first name, last name, and company name without emojis or problems with capital letters. And the second thing we do is to make sure that every single lead matches the filters you gave on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So you know that when you export on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you have between 20 to 30% of the leads that don't perfectly match your filters. And that's why with this column here, filters, we tell you exactly if a lead is perfectly valid or if something is wrong. So here, these leads are valid, but here you will see that some of them are not valid. So here, invalid company size, and you will find, for example, invalid job title. And why? It's because these leads is business head, and basically it's not head of sales. So based on these informations, you can decide to either keep the lead or just remove it from your list. But at least you don't waste your time to clean the data and to check if every single lead matches your filters. So if you want to build your list of leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator to do some cold emails, you just need to click in the first link in the description, and I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.